Creo que la pretemporada ha ido muy bien, con compañeros nuevos que se han integrado muy rápido al equipo. Muchos jugadores ya estaban el año pasado, ya saben nuestra forma de jugar, y la verdad es que yo creo que estamos mejor preparados para el inicio del liguero que el año pasado.
Well, the pre-season went really good. We have new players we have this season. They have adapted really well, and they have they have understood the idea of the coach. And I think this year we are better prepared than last season. I think we play a very entertaining game, but football, not only to make the supporters happy, but also because we think it's the best way to win the matches.
Sí, mañana comienza el viaje, nos vamos 8 días, los dos primeros partidos, Norces y Chennai. Yo no puedo estar en el primer partido contra el Norces gracias a una doble amarilla en la Supercopa del año pasado. La verdad que no lo entendemos todavía como una doble amarilla en una competición menor acarrea suspensión para el primer partido de la ISL. Y nada, vamos con la intención de...
Tomorrow our journey starts with 2 away matches against Northeast and Chennai. But unfortunately, I won't be there for the first game because I got suspended by 2 yellow cards last season, and actually myself and the club, we don't understand how suspension from the Super Cup can affect me not playing in the ISL. But anyway, we are looking forward to do the best we can in the 2 matches.
Factor before I come here is I know the coach before, Lobera. He was with me in Morocco. He talked with me about the league for India. He asked me to come play here because he have good level, he have good player, and a good league also. Like this, I tell him, okay, I'm happy to come here. I tell you, I was with coach Lobera before. He worked with me in Morocco, doing the same. Why he bring me here? Because he worked this in Morocco. He win, yes, I'm sell, don't play long ball, short ball also. Not don't play long ball, because if you have a little bit difficult, you put it out. But try to play good football. Right. This is not my first time, you know. I have it in Saudi Arabia and also in Qatar and in Turkey, because he asked me to come there. But I talked with Lobera from a long time. Also, I tell him, okay, I cannot change back, you know, why I am here.
How do you find the bunch of boys here?
Yeah, good, very nice, very nice. I feel good, people very cool, you know. Now it's a family here.